Now that we've learned how to add, subtract, and multiply polynomials, let's start combining some of those operations together. So let's work through this first example. We have 3x minus 1 times x plus 5 minus 7x squared minus 4. Now you can kind of think of this as if we were just multiplying and subtracting just standard numbers, like so. What would we do first? Would we multiply the 6 and 3, or would we subtract the 3 and the 5? Now we know, using our order of operations, good old PEMDAS, that we always perform multiplication before subtraction. So the same thing is going to happen when you're working with polynomials. Nothing changes, the rules still stay the same. So what we're going to actually do first is the multiplication. And we know these are being multiplied because there's no operation in between here. So to multiply 3x minus 1 and x plus 5, we're going to first multiply the 3x by both terms in the second binomial. So that's going to give us 3x squared plus 15x. And then we're going to multiply the negative 1 by the two terms in the second binomial. So that's going to give us negative 1x and then minus 5. Now if you want to, you could combine like terms here to simplify this down a little bit, or you could carry your 7x squared minus 4 straight down. There's a couple of different options you have. Now from here, remember when we are subtracting a polynomial, you have to carry that subtraction through to everything that follows in that set of parentheses. So we're going to put that invisible coefficient of 1 there again, and then we're going to carry through that negative 1 into our 7x squared minus 4. So we're going to bring down the first 4 terms from that multiplication, and then when we carry through the negative 1, that 7x squared is going to become negative 7x squared. And this negative 4, when we carry in the negative 1, is going to change to a plus 4. Now we can go through and we can combine our like terms. So we have 3x squared and negative 7x squared. We have 15x, negative 1x, and then we have a negative 5 and a positive 4. So 3x squared minus 7x squared, so 3 minus 7 is negative 4x squared. Positive 15 and a negative 1x, positive 15x and a negative 1x is going to give us a positive 14x. And then a negative 5 and a positive 4 is going to give us a negative 1. So after we perform a multiplication and we also subtract 7x squared minus 4, our final answer here gives us negative 4x squared plus 14x minus 1.